We have to make tutorial type videos all the time for CRM clients, for AI tools. So we wanted a way to be able to quickly spin up course videos, tutorial videos, and things like that are faceless that we can replace later if we need to, if there's a software update, a UI update, or something like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code to actually build these faceless tutorial type videos branded to you very simply. And what we did for this one that I'm going to show you here in a second is we just took a voice memo actually. And that can be helpful sometimes for tutorial type videos. Basically, you're just going to look through whatever it is that you need to explain and just record yourself explaining it. Now, you don't have to do that. You can use AI to just come up with a script, or you can write up a script yourself for the video. But we used a voice memo in this case, and it was super helpful for what we did. So I'm going to show you the video here in a second. I'm going to explain how we actually built it. So here's the video.
Welcome to Nextlevel's Voice Agent HQ. Voice Agent HQ is a dialing app built directly into your CRM. It uses a native AI calling bot to help follow up with fresh leads automatically based on the schedule and rules you set inside the app. When a new lead enters your CRM, Voice Agent HQ checks your calling settings, availability, lead tags, and timing rules. If the lead is eligible, the system schedules the AI bot to call them automatically. If the prospect answers, the bot introduces itself and attempts to transfer the call to you or your team. If the prospect does not answer, the app can schedule future attempts based on your retry settings and maximum attempt limits. Think of Voice Agent HQ as your automated speed to lead dialer. It helps you contact new leads quickly, stay consistent with follow-up, and reduce the need for manual dialing. This platform will continue to evolve with new features, ongoing feedback, and a better calling experience. Welcome aboard. Voice Agent HQ is here to help you automate more of your lead follow-up.
So what you just saw there was entirely done by Claude Code. We branded it to our business so that it knows exactly our colors and things like that, and it has our logo, and essentially it is connected to a couple of tools. I'm going to talk about those tools. So all you really need is two things to get this done. You need an OpenAI key, which you can get. Of course, I'm going to provide a link to the actual prompting so you can use it for yourself. Claude Code will walk you through everything you need. If you don't know how to grab an OpenAI key, you can go grab it. But essentially you need to hook up OpenAI so that you can use their whisper function. And what that does, and what makes this really powerful, is that whisper takes timestamps of every word that is said in your transcript and then ties it to the frames of the video. This doesn't just kick back frames that you have to go into CapCut or something like this. This kicks back the full finished MP4 product, which is really, really convenient. So when I tell you this is easy, it's really easy. Often these videos are like one-shotted videos. I may have to iterate one or two times, but it's really, really good once you just train it up a little bit. So whisper through your OpenAI key. Ask Claude to help you with that. It'll connect it up, and that's how you get it to actually do the subtitles and actually time the visuals and everything on the video with your voice. Now, you can decide to just record this yourself with your own voice. I advise against that because if you have to redo a tutorial video, course video, or something like that later, then you got to go re-record it yourself. Whereas if you can just have an AI voice do it, something changes, you can just swap the video out and say 30 minutes and you're done. So the second tool that you need to connect is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs, very cheap monthly price. I think I have one of their basic plans. It essentially allows you to grab a bunch of different voices. You can sample them, test them, and then it will read the script for you. So in the case of the video that I showed you, we recorded our own voice memo. We gave it to Claude Code that had this prompt that I'm going to give you, and it then took that, rebuilt the script, and then it sent it to ElevenLabs. Now, one thing that's really cool, if you record it yourself, just explaining kind of casually whatever it is that you're trying to explain, you can ask Claude Code to polish it for you, right? It can take out the ums and uhs. It can fix your grammar. So you don't need to be super polished. You can just explain whatever you're trying to explain, and then Claude Code will finish up that script for you, tighten it for you, send it to ElevenLabs on the back end, and then generate the voice narration, send it back over, and start building the slides. And then it's going to tie the slides in with each word that the narration is saying, and then complete for you an MP4. So the prompt that I'm going to give you has everything that you need to basically set this up for yourself. If you don't have a brand kit, so it doesn't know your colors and fonts or logos, just tell it that it needs to build it for you. Screenshot your website or something like that and send it over. This saves us so much time building nice professional videos that are nicely narrated. And once you have it set up in Claude Code, it's easy to just duplicate and do whatever style you want. Now, there are a couple other tools that you'll need for Claude Code, but Claude Code will actually just download them for you The full prompt and everything you need to get started. I have nothing left out of it. Everything you're gonna need. There's no secrets, nothing hidden. It's in a PDF in the comments below. I just wanted to provide it free of value to you, so definitely check that out. If you wanna see other videos like this, just subscribe. We're doing a lot more content like this for small business owners, insurance agents, and things like that. So again, no camera, no editor, no CapCut, none of that. It's one basic prompt. You throw in a Claude Code, you hook up a couple integrations that Claude will help you do, and it'll save you so much time doing videos like that. If you find these helpful, hit the subscribe button because we're doing a lot more of these coming up.